Meal. A meal is a structured and typically regular eating occasion that includes one or more food items prepared and consumed to satisfy hunger and provide nourishment. Meals often consist of a combination of different foods such as a main course, side dishes, and beverages served at specific times of the day like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The word meal has its origins in Middle English derived from the Old English word meal, which referred to a specific measure or portion of food. Over time, the term evolved to encompass the concept of eating occasions. Now let's use meal in a sentence. After a long day at work, she prepared a delicious meal consisting of grilled chicken, steamed vegetables, and a fresh salad for dinner. Thanks for listening in. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.